Evan, do you copy?
Copy.
You want me to proceed beyond where Dot is positioned all the way to the bottom, correct?
You guys can clear that area as soon as possible because there's a group of two waiting for us to get all the way down here where I am at.
So the vehicles that are next to Dot need to continue forward, down?
Affirmative.
Dot, am I good to go?
You're clear to go. Keep going to where Evan is.